All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. Maybe when you entered in is when I entered in. I don't know exactly when I entered in. I have to look. But we entered in generally in the same exact area. So if you're in a bit of a negative and stuff like that, don't worry about that. This is just how the game goes. Sometimes we'll enter in and it's not at the optimal point. That doesn't it. Yes, it matters, but at the same time, it's okay. you're not gonna die. So I entered in at 1.11928. So let's just go ahead and put in where exactly I entered in at. 11928. Which is like right here, you know what I mean? So 11928, and I got another one at 11922. Same thing. All right. So as you can see, price has been in the same area. All right. Now here's the thing, guys. Just because price has been sitting here for a little bit doesn't mean that price may, not continue. The price can actually go higher, and there's nothing that says it can't. The only reason why we believe that this is going to continue to the downside is being the fact that it's been on a downtrend for so long of a time frame. This is all the way back in like 2018. April 2018 that we had this down movement, and we've had the down movement for a while now. So understand also this, being the fact that China is devaluing their currency on purpose, like it's all known right now. They're devaluing their currency. President Trump is actually saying that he wants to devalue our currency as well, so that we could be able to, I don't want to say compete, but just so that it's not that much of a change, which is really, really interesting. From what I've heard, this is the first time that any president has ever said anything like that before, but I'm not surprised. So I don't know. This is just stuff I've heard and blah, 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 blah. I don't really get too far into fundamentals and stuff like that. I mostly look at what is the charts saying, what is the charts telling me? We've been on the downtrend for a while. And then at the same time, the euros is not really doing too well. Anyways, so I'm looking for this to continue to the downside. There's a possibility price can push up, a little higher, but it doesn't mean it's going to continue. So right now we're at this 38.2 area, point A, point B, point C. We've been at this area for a little bit. I'm almost sure it's continuing. It may continue, being the fact that it hasn't pushed as of yet, and also being the fact that we had this full bullish candle that closed above this area right here. I'm almost sure we're going to have a continuation, slightly. And here's the thing: price could probably go only to 1.13, which is kind of in correlation with this 61.8 area, this green one right here, for the continuation to the downside. And I'm looking for price to get to this 1.099 area. Simply, let's go down to the lower time frame, see what's going on. All we just see is a whole bunch of consolidation and stuff like that. We have levels of support and levels of resistance over here. Let's go to H1. Yeah. See, I don't have a full candle that closes beyond this level of support right here. Yeah, I'm almost sure this is going to continue to, a little higher, but that's completely fine. I'm going to stay with my position. I still see this going to the downside. So we do see on the 30-minute time frame, this area right here, this full bearish candle closing under this level of support right here, which is great, right? But the 30-minute, can only tell you so much. So I'm just going to stick with my analysis and stick to the downside. Other than that, there's nothing more that I could be able to say. We're going to have to wait for some type of movement. But yeah, this is where I'm looking. hopefully this helped you out a bit. If you like our style and you want to be able to, get access to more, we actually have a website, FxProNow.com. We have a bunch of content on there, like a free 1-hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to. So hopefully this helps you out. And I just see the like button. Hopefully this helps you out. And I greatly appreciate your time. Peace. All right. All right, peeps. Let's go ahead and do AUD USD. Oh, this is still here. Wow, that's really, really interesting. All right, I'm not going to go too far in depth on this. If anything, I'm not even going to do AU because I'll just knock it out real quick. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com. I'm so surprised the fact that AU is still in the same exact spot. What's going on, Quinn? The fact that it's still here is like, what the heck? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. That means that the Bears are so strong. The fact that, like, check this out, guys. Like, we have here, I don't want to count. We have $11 days, 17 days actually, of straight bearish action, right? Or 11 bars, so 11 days. 2 full weeks of straight bullish, bearish action. And then a full week of consolidation at that point. That is crazy. So the Bears are crazy strong. I'm gonna put it to you like this. I forgot exactly who asked, but in our course, we actually have what we call private Thursday sessions. And in those private Thursday sessions, people could be able to ask me whatever they want, as far as like the students that are part of our course. And I get the question from time to time, how do you know how far price is going to pull up? I'm about to show you. Being the fact that, and here's the thing, this may be the case, this may not be the case, but being the fact that it's going so slow for this pullback, it hardly has even made a move yet. It's still in the same exact area. What this is telling me is the fact that the pullback is probably not going to pull back that far. All right. The pullback is probably not going to pull back that far. So let's just say probably only to 38.2. Probably only to 38.2. It could probably only go to 50%. Right. But after this slow pullback, we should have a fast continuation to the downside. Okay. But let's say we had the opposite. Let's say we had a fast pullback. Then with the fast pullback, then I would, probably see like 61.8, probably say 78.6 with a slow continuation. I promise you, I just gave you some good stuff. All right. So yeah, that's the case right there. There's nothing much I can be able to say, but I'm almost sure that like information probably helped you out. So with that being the case, guys, greatly appreciate your time. Go ahead and check out FxProNow.com. We have more content that you could be able to get access to. Just click on the button that speaks about the free 1-hour Forex course. All right. Greatly appreciate your time, and speak to you guys soon. Peace. UJ. Is everything running smoothly on my side? Because I know for sure this computer is going crazy hot right now. So let me know if everything is good on your side, please, guys. All right. UJ just continued. All good. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, this. Okay, thank you very much, guys. All right, so UJ. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is UJ. When it comes to UJ, I'm not going to front. I'm mad that I didn't catch this move, even though we were in it right here. Price pulled up, and I'm like, what the hell's going on? Faked out and freaking smashed. All right. Smashed the take profit that we already had, and then faked me out. Fun. So with that being the case, being the fact that we got to negative 27%, we have a level of support right here. And I'm going to go to a higher time frame, see what's going on. I know for sure that like the Japanese yen is going through some stuff, though. 100%. They're going through some stuff. So here, I want you guys to see this trend line right here. I don't really use trend lines too often, but you know, they can be useful. All right, let me see if I'm chirping, because I think I got into this position already. Yeah, I'm down a bit. Let's see. Okay. So we have a level support, level support, level support, and level support. Right? I don't think that we can be able to do that. Level support, all in this area right here. There's level of support. There's only one time that price broke through this area, which is 2008. Interesting. The reason why it is interesting is because what happened in 2008, the whole crisis thing, blase, blase. Heck. Freaking bug on me. The reason why I'm backing up in time frame so much, because like, you know, why would you be looking all the way back here, is because seriously, right now is prices in an interesting area, a really, really interesting area. Because there's level support as far as the weekly key level. We have this trend line right here, right? That may not be a trend line, right? But we did have this trend line right here. Price, you know, broke through that area, but now is using it as a level of support. You would say maybe. And then now hitting this one right here, plus this weekly key level. Maybe. And I could be completely wrong. I could be completely wrong. But the trend says downtrend. We are at this negative 27% right here. I'm like in a neutral stance, but at the same time, like maybe price will have some level of support right here. Maybe. There's nothing more I could be able to say. I can't really say too much yet because I honestly do not know. But last time that we were in this area, price rejected it. And there were so many different times at 105 that price was being rejected. I don't know. Maybe. So there wasn't much analysis I could be able to do on this. But I may see a level of support right here. Maybe. Even if I go to the lower time frame, I doubt it's going to even tell me anything. Yeah, we're seeing continuations down. But I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. But at the same time, to tell you the truth, there's nothing that really says on this lower time frame H4 that there's a level of support at all. So I'm in a neutral stance. All right. As far as right now, let's see if there's some type of movement. It'll be beautiful if we find price, come above this area right here. It's going to take some time to do that, obviously, but it'll be cool if price gets above this area right here. But we'll see. I have a buy in here. I could probably be completely wrong. I'll be completely fine. But my risk here is so minimal for me. But maybe over time you'll see. Because look at this area right here. We have, like large push to the downside, pullback, large push to the downside, and then we have 1, 2, and then price just started pulling back up and came back to this 114 area. What do we see here? We have a large push to the downside, our pullback, and then, push, and then shoot. We're all the way at the bottom, I think. Maybe we'll have the same thing, boom, 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 and I'll probably be in a crazy negative. But at the same time, I'll probably have, a good entry. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna test this out for a little bit and see how this thing goes. So greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you liked anything that I just said right now, even if you didn't, let me know. We actually have a website. It's called FxProNow.com. You can be able to check out our free 1-hour Forex training on there. You can be able to ask me a question. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can ask me whatever question that you'd like, and we'll go on from there. All right. Really appreciate your time, guys. Peace. All right. Let's look at GJ. Holy crap, bro. Every time I freaking look at this. I'm in it. I'm just letting this thing go. There's nothing much I can be able to say. But the way that this dropped like that, I wouldn't be surprised. The pullback is probably coming sooner than later. But what do I know, man? Sheesh. What do I know? Price broke through this, though. I wish I remembered exactly when I put these green boxes, because I put these green boxes a long time ago. And there's ones further. Oh, called May 20th. Consolidation, June 3rd. So I'm guessing I said that there's going to be some type of consolidation in this area. Isn't that interesting? So what I do is I put marks and then I say, look, price is gonna do this at this time. What is it gonna consolidate and then continue? That'd be crazy. We'll see. But what's wild is the fact that price has never been this low. Only 1, 2, 3 times. Great Britain is having some issues. Sheesh. Boom. Boom. That would be some crazy stuff, man. If this right here is a move, that'd be some stuff where we would be going all the way to 80. All right. Just for some fun. So we called this one, what's today? August 12th. August 12th. Fun. That'd be some stuff, man. To freaking miss this. All right. Nothing more I can be able to say. We'll see how this goes. Greatly appreciate your time, guys. Yo, the Orioles are so trash. All right. So that's my little spiel. If anything, we're kind of done a little early. So if anything, do you guys have any questions that you would like to ask? If anything, I'll give you guys 10 full minutes. Ask me questions. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I got a deep cleaning today. How's it look? Ask me some questions. If there's no questions in 1 full minute, I'm out. No, I'm not. I need some work to make it white. Yeah. Let me see. See, I just said to myself, you know, I'm not even gonna do some, you know, no extra stuff, blah blah blah. 15. Oh, what? Holy crap! Oh my god! What the hell? Yo, gold is acting like Bitcoin right now, man. What the hell? This is gonna continue. Holy crap. You know what's gonna be crazy? Gold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to look at my portfolio. Oh my gosh. It just broke out hard. This is going to go over $2,000 per ounce. Guaranteed. $2,000 per ounce. And what's crazy is it's going to go way higher than that. Here, let's put this on the logarithmus. It's going to go way higher than that. Are people really buying gold right now? So 2,200 and may go straight to that thing. What the hell? I'm thinking people are gonna drop gold and blase. Nope. They're like, nah, we're stacking up on this. Who caught this? Oh, you can't even see what the hell I'm doing. Oh, that sucks. Yeah. $2,200 per ounce. Holy crap. All right. I may just say F it. Just jump in because this ain't going coming back. All right, I'm out. Bye, peeps. Oh, there's some questions. Is there questions? Fire, Michael. I'm so excited for you. More important, creating key levels, gaps or overlaps. Touch is the most important. Then gaps and then overlaps. No, overlaps and then gaps. So touches is like by far number one. And then overlaps and then gaps. All right. So that's my spiel for today. Hopefully you guys learned something. We'll be back on Wednesday, 10 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you come on time, guys, so you're not missing out on anything. If anything, invite a friend. And, I'm going from there. Peace.